Good morning, and thanks for joining me again. And I fancied a little bit of a challenge this morning. Something I've been doing since about the age of 10 is like bike mechanics. But the cable here is snapped on this bike. It's such a simple job, so I thought I'd give my challenge of trying to see how quickly I could do it. So we'll get it all back together, and just to prove it's the sort of thing anybody can do, and you don't really need to take it to a repair shop, you know, it's so simple. So here goes. We'll get all the bits together, and perhaps you can time me and see how long it takes. Right, I got everything ready, and just a quick glance at the tools we got. So I got a 10mm spanner, pair of snips, pair of crimps. They're the sort of cable tidies, and then there's a sort of generic brake cable there, so that all has to be trimmed to size. So I'll see if I can get hold of a camera person to do some filming for me, and we'll crack on. Right then, here goes. So let's crack on, let's not waste any time. You're going to undo the cable here where it comes undone, where the joins the thing. Let's whip that off. So there's the cable running all the way up there. I haven't done this for donkey's years, to be honest, so let's just yank all that out. Oh, there's the end of the cable tidy. We'll pull that out. There we go. Let's get our new one. And we don't really need any of this outer sleeve, we'll use the existing one. But what we do need to do is snip the end cable there, so let's get rid of that. Let's whip all that out, and we'll feed that in there. And misbehave yourselves, let's hope it doesn't get snagged anywhere. There we go. There's that additional pressure now because I know I'm being timed. Should have had a little stopwatch going, but we'll have a look at the video replay at the end. And this feeds into here. Oh, there's another little tip, I shouldn't need to take that off. Should have fed it through there first, really, and put that back on. See, so we want to wind it right in to the maximum, so if we do need to adjust it, we got some adjustment there. And then you feed that in there. And I want to see it. Come on. And that feeds in there, there we go. Pull that cable in. Feed this bit here. Do a little knack to this. Oh, there she goes. That will go in there or in between it, something like that. So that feeds into there. Well, that's a point. Do you use that one or that one? Does it make any difference? I'm not sure. And then looking at that, we want to be on the other side of that cable. Feed that one onto there. So and pull that together. I'm not sure if I'm happy about it. Looks a bit I think we'll put that on the other side of that. All time wasting, never mind. Either way doesn't look that great.
That needs to be through there.
Well, that's what I just did.
No, this one, take that one off and put it through there so it goes through the middle.
So I'll do that. This is what we're feeling the pressure, you see, guys. Right, let's try that again. Did you go for that one last time? Yeah, there we go. Should have taken note of which one I went in there. And then we feed this through here. It's completely real time. Zilcho editing. I'm going to put that on there because it looks like that's more centered then. And we need a third hand. That's tightened. Give it a test. So all that's left to do is trim the cable and put one of these tidies on. I think we'll just go for about there. Point of no return. All that cable there surplus. Let's get one of these cable tidies. It's only just to stop the cable fraying, that's all. Quite a sensible thing to have, really. Get them on there. And I've got, these are just electrical wire crimps. So I'll go for about the smallest crimp on there. And finished. So guys, it's really that simple. I'll have a look back on the video now how long that took, and I don't suspect it was much more than 5 minutes. So really simple job. I could have done it a lot quicker with a little bit of insight to make sure I put it in between those cables there and made sure I got it on that notch there, but so simple. So thanks for watching, and the usual thumbs up, subscribe, like, and look forward to a future video. Thank you very much.